In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out an appointment with a split cash payment. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a partial cash amount and leave the remaining balance to be paid later or via another method. We'll start from your main workspace. Look to the left-hand side and click on Calendar. This opens your schedule so you can see all upcoming bookings. Make sure you're on the correct day and view so you can quickly spot the appointment you're ready to process. Next, choose the appointment you want to check out and click on it. This opens the appointment details so you can confirm you're working with the right client and service. Take a quick moment to double check that the services, prices, and any add-ons are accurate. It's much easier to correct those now than after payment. When you're ready, click on Checkout. This moves you into the payment screen for that specific appointment. You should see the items being charged along with any taxes or discounts that already apply. If everything looks correct, click on Continue to Payment to move to the payment options. Because we're taking only part of the payment in cash, click on Split Payment. Split Payment lets you divide the total across multiple methods or accept a partial amount now and the rest later. It's perfect for clients who want to pay a portion in cash and settle the balance another way. From the list of methods, click on Cash. You'll now enter the amount of cash the client is giving you. Add a cash amount that matches what's handed over. If the client is paying an exact portion, type that number carefully to avoid overpaying or underpaying. After entering the amount, click on Add. This applies the cash portion to the total and updates the remaining balance on screen. You should see a clear breakdown of what's been covered and what's still due. To record this without closing the entire invoice, click on Save Part Paid. This is important. It saves the cash you just accepted, marks the appointment as partially paid, and leaves the rest open to be completed later. Finally, click on Continue. This confirms the action and returns you to the workflow, with the appointment now showing a partial payment on file. That's it. You've successfully navigated from the calendar to checkout, processed the split payment by taking a cash portion, saved it as part paid, and continued without closing the remaining balance. If you ever need to revisit the payment later, you'll be able to complete the balance from the same appointment. Thanks for watching, and great job